everyone. I hope you are liking my videos. I post daily different videos regarding our skin and health. So if you like my videos, please like them, share them, and also comment in the comment section. Please tell me that how much you like my videos and how these remedies are going to your life. So please press the bell icon for getting more videos for which will be very beneficial for your health and skin. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. My today video is about how to repair your crack heels, as the most of the people are facing the problems of crack heels, especially for girls and women. So I will share two home remedies which are very simple, and if you do it daily, then you will get the very great results. So my first remedy is with the help of banana. Okay, then you have to take one banana, or one and a half you can take banana. Then you have to mash it properly like this. Like this you have to mash it. Like this. You have to make a very thick paste like this. So now you have to, suppose this is my cracked heel, so I will show you demo. So you have to take this mashed banana and you have to massage this on your crack heel like this. Just mash it properly. Then you have to massage gently on your crack heel, and also leave it for at least 10 minutes. And if you do it daily, then you will see very great results, as banana is full of vitamins. It has vitamin A, C, so it has a great property of hydration and elasticity. It will provide your skin very good elasticity, and also hydration it will provide. So it will nourish your crack heels very soon. So do it daily until you get the results. It will work definitely if you do it properly. So after kept it for 10 minutes, you have to you have to clean your feet with the cold water. Then you can use any type of moisturizer on your heels. Then you will finally, after some days, when you will do it regularly, you will get very good results. So this was my first remedy about your crack heel. So my second home remedy about crack heel is that you have to take at least one lemon juice. So you have to get all the seeds out. Then you have to take 1 tablespoon honey is the most common ingredient that you have already seen that I have used in almost in all the videos, because it has very good properties, especially for your skin. So one lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon you have to take honey, and some salt. You have to take this much of salt. Then you have to stir it well. Then also you have to take rose water. You have to take one amount of rose water. And also the main ingredient in this remedy is glycerine. You have to use glycerine. Here I am using glycerin, this one. I am using all these ingredients in a small amount because I am showing a demo. You have to take more than this, because I am using a very small utensil in this remedy, because I am not doing this. I am not performing this. I am only telling you that how you have to do this. You have to use a small bucket or any any utensil you can use it in which your foot gets soaked very well. Here I am using a small utensil, and you have to use warm water. Then you have to put all this mixture in this warm water and then stir it well. The water should be little bit warm. So then you have to soak your foot in this water for at least 15 minutes, and after that you have to use a pumic stone. And everyone know what the pumic stone is. So you have to rub your heels where there is in on the crack areas. So soak your foot in this water, and then you have to rub your heels with the pumic stone for at least 5 minutes on each foot. So you will so after some days, or if you do it regularly until you see the result, then you will get the very good result, that you will see that your heels are getting repairing, your cracks are getting filled, they are getting hydrated, the moisture is going in that heels, because glycerin is the most important ingredient in this remedy. So don't miss glycerin. And so this was the remedy about crack heel. And the first one was the mashed banana. These two are very amazing remedies, so you can use it daily until you get very promising result. So do it at least once. You will see the result at the first time only, not 100%, but at least 1 or 2% you will see the result on one day. But if you do it regular, then you will get definitely a very good result. So so this was my about crack heel problem, and thank you so much.